नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों आज हम क्लास 7 के ज्योग्राफी में लेसन नंबर 6 नेचुरल रीजन्स इस लेसन का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब और चैनल लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। दोस्तों आप लोग इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरीके से देख करके अच्छी तरीके से सुन करके भी इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर बाहर कर सकते हैं। ये है लेसन नंबर 6 नेचुरल रीजन्स, उसका एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स केयरफुली, करेक्ट द रॉन्ग वंस and write them down. First, due to its mild and warm climate, people from the West European regions are not energetic. The answer is wrong. Correct statement is, due to its mild and warm climate, people from the West European regions are energetic, industrious, and enthusiastic. Now next. Second, the prairie region is called the weed basket of the world. The answer is right. Now next. Third, the trees in the Mediterranean region have oily leaves and the bark is quite thick. There is a high rate of transpiration. The answer is wrong. Correct statement is, the trees in the Mediterranean region have oily leaves and bark is quite thick. Therefore, there is a low rate of transpiration. Now next. Fourth, the camel is an important animal of the hot desert region as it can survive without water and is useful for transport. The answer is right. Now next. Fifth, carnivorous animals like tigers and lions are found in large number in the equatorial regions. The answer is wrong. Correct statement is, carnivorous animals like tigers and lions are found in large number in the grasslands regions. Now next question. Question number 2, give geographical reasons. First, people in monsoon region are mainly engaged in agriculture. The answer is first, monsoon regions receives rainfall in specific season from southwest monsoon winds. The mean annual rainfall in monsoon region is 250 mm to 2500 mm. Second, the summer temperature of monsoon region is between 27 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius. Its winter temperature is approximately between 15 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Third, the soil, rainfall, temperature and other climatic conditions are suitable for the growth of variety of crops in monsoon region. Therefore, people in monsoon region are mainly engaged in agriculture. Now next. Second, trees in equatorial forest grow tall. The answer is first, the summer temperature of equatorial region is around 30 degrees Celsius. Second, the mean annual rainfall in equatorial region is around 2500 mm to 3000 mm. It rains throughout the year in this region. Third, sun rays are mostly perpendicular in equatorial region. Fourth, heavy rainfall as well as hot and humid climate support the growth of variety of trees in equatorial region. Trees also grow with rapid speed to get maximum sunlight in this region. Thus, trees in equatorial forest grow tall. Now next. Third, vegetation is short-lived in the tundra region. The answer is first, the winter temperature of tundra region is approximately -20 degrees Celsius to -30 degrees Celsius. This temperature do not support the growth of vegetation. Second, the mean summer temperature of tundra region is 10 degrees Celsius. Third, due to availability of sunlight, short grass, small shrubs, flowers, lichens, moss, etc. grow in tundra region. But during long winter, the natural vegetation in tundra region disappears at rapid speed. Thus, vegetation is short-lived in the tundra region. Now next question. Question number 3, answer the following questions. First, what is the latitudinal extent of the taiga region? The answer is, latitudinal extent of taiga region is approximately between 50 degree north and 65 degree north parallel. Now next. Second, name any 3 herbivorous animal from the Sudan region. What has nature endowed them with for self-protection? The answer is A. Names of herbivorous animal from the Sudan region. First giraffe, second zebra, third kangaroo. B. Nature's endowment. Nature has endowed herbivorous animals with speedy legs. Carnivorous animals attack on herbivorous animals for hunting. At such times, speedy legs of herbivorous animals enable them to run away and protect themselves from carnivorous animals. Now next. Third, what are the characteristics of the monsoon region? The answer is, the characteristics of the monsoon region are as follows. First, characteristics related to climate. First, temperature. The summer temperature of monsoon region is between 27 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius. Its winter temperature is approximately between 15 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Second, rainfall. The mean annual rainfall in monsoon region is 250 millimeter to 2500 millimeter. Third, other features. Monsoon region get rains in specific seasons from southwest monsoon winds. Rainfall is highly variable and its distribution is quite uneven in this region. Second, characteristics related to natural vegetation. Semi-evergreen and deciduous forests are seen in monsoon region. The natural vegetation from this region depends upon the distribution of rainfall. Third, characteristics related to human life. First, occupation. Agriculture is the main occupation of people living in monsoon region. Second, hamlets. Large number of small hamlets is seen in this region. Third, diet and costume. Considerable difference in diet and costumes of people is found in this region. Fourth, population. Population in monsoon region is mostly involved in primary occupation. Now next question. Question number 4. Show the following items on an outline map of the world. Prepare the index. यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 है. इसके हिसाब से यहाँ पे बनाया गया. जहाँ पे 1 रहेगा वो क्या हो जाएगा? कोलोराडो डेजर्ट. जहाँ पे 2 रहेगा वहां पे क्या हो जाएगा? ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया. जहाँ पे 3 रहेगा वहां पे क्या हो जाएगा? डाउन्स ग्रासलैंड. इस तरीके से किया गया है. जहाँ पे 5 रहेगा मेडिटेरेनियन रीजन. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 6 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ. फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिख करके बताइए. इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल सके, और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. नमस्कार दोस्तों.